Hello, I'm gonna talk about our project. We have a bank branch and we must design a network to connect the building with each other and also with the center in Ankara. And after the design of our project is completed, we must test the connection that we did. Here inside the building, we have a LAN network and we must test the connection between these devices and servers in database room. To do that, we have to ping from any PC to our server, which has an IP address. Command line. Here we have sent for, received for, and not loading anything. This indicates there is a connection between them without error. And also we use DHCP service to obtain an automatic IP address. To activate this service, the DHCP server must be created by adding default gateway, DNS server, start IP address, which will be from 30, and subnet mask. And save all this information, and after that, turn it on. To make sure that this service is activated, we go to any devices or PC and choose IP configuration and choose DHCP server. Here we notice the PC get an IP address via DHCP. We also use the AAA server to log into the wireless without using a wireline and using username and password. Here we noticed a connection between this access point and this PC wirelessly. To make sure of the connection, we have to ping from this PC to our server, which has an IP address. So we go to command promote and we write ping instruction. Now we notice sent for and received for and lost nothing. So there is a successful connection between them. And here we have a WAN network to connect this branch with the center in Ankara by using routers. To make this connection live, we have to add some commands to each router to build the communication between them and the other parts of the network. So we have to enter to this router and open the configuration terminal. After that, we have to log into interface past Ethernet 00 and give it an IP address. Then we have to activate this interface by using no shutdown instruction. After that, we exit from this interface and log into interface serial 0/0/0 and also give it an IP address. Then give it clock rate, which will be 2 million. After that, we activate this interface by using no shutdown. After that, we exit from this interface and add a IP route to exchange the data between interfaces. And finally, we have to add an instruction to save all command we had added. After that, we enter to another router and open the configuration terminal. After that, we log into the interface serial 0/0/0 and give it an IP address. Then we have to activate this interface by using no shutdown instruction. Then we go to the fast Ethernet 00 and also give it an IP address and activate it. After that, we go to the interface fast Ethernet 01 and give it an IP address and activate it. After that, we exit from this interface to add the IP route. And finally, we add an instruction to save all the commands we had added. And after building the connection between routers, we have to test the connection between the branch and the center. So we have to ping from the PC on the branch to the server in Ankara. Here we have replay sent for and received for and lost nothing. So there is a connection between branch and center. And also we have to test the connection between the center and server in the branch. So we have to ping from PC in center to our server in branch. Here we have sent for and received for and lost nothing. So the connection between them is successful. And also to make sure that there is a connection with Google, we have to ping from PC in the branch to Google server. Here we have sent for, received for, and lost nothing. So the connection is successful and there is no error. After all these results, we have made sure that the connection completely safe and working properly. Thank you for watching this video. I'm the student Muhammad Ait from ABC Horizon Academy.